Okay, I'm going to talk very quickly about how to import packages. I recently did a video on how to use OpenPyXL to directly access Excel files from Python. I mentioned that you import that library. I want to take just a quick second and show you how to do that in PyCharm. PyCharm is a wonderful IDE tool and makes programming so easy. So if I say import OpenPyXL, you'll see that it says, well, I don't know what OpenPyXL is. Normally, you'd go out and you'd use pip install from a command line, or you could come up here and go through the settings and find it. But PyCharm has a couple of features that make this super easy. One is you click on this button down here, and you can do Python packages, right? So I could type OpenPyXL, and it's there. And if I click on it, it would allow me to install it. But by far my favorite way of doing this is you simply put your mouse over the red underlined module that you're trying to install, and it just says install the package. It makes it super easy. You can see down here that PyCharm is going out to the repositories, grabbing it, checking the dependencies, and installing it. Okay, so it's gone ahead and installed it successfully, and then it goes through your code to make sure that it can see everything. So there it is. It's installed and ready to go. So I can use OpenPyXL. To remove that package, you would simply come back in here into your Python packages. OpenPyXL is there. It's going to need to refresh it. Doesn't realize that it has it installed. So let me do another search for it here. OpenPyXL, and it's right there. So if I click on it, there you see it doesn't show install anymore, but I can simply say delete package, and then PyCharm will do the magic behind the scenes to go ahead and remove all of those packages and all the links in it. And there it goes, uninstalled. Then it also goes through your code just to update it, and scanning package, and there you go. So you'll notice it's underlined again and says, well, I don't know what that is. So in PyCharm, it's really easy to add packages or remove packages. Like I said, my favorite way is just putting your mouse over it and hitting install. So this was just a quick tip and trick on how to install modules in PyCharm. I hope you enjoyed it.